Welcome everyone. If you're trying to open an app and you can see it's crashing on launch, the first reason may be due to the servers being down. So to check this, just go onto Google and search up is the app name which is crashing and then down. And there should be a website like Down Detector, something like this. And if we go here and scroll down, if there is a massive spike in the downtime, like a massive spike of user reports, that means the application is down. If the app is crashing and you don't see a spike, wait 5 minutes, refresh, and if there is the spike, then the application is down and you will need to wait for the developers to fix it. On top of this, sometimes older versions of the app will break, so I recommend you go to the App Store and just search up for the app in question and just take a look if there is an update. So typically you need to tap on the app, and if there is an update option there, update the app and then open. If you just see open, there is no update available. The next reason why applications crash is because you got them from outside of the App Store. So you can see this one here, this is the Delta, and it's crashing. And when you get apps outside of the App Store, Apple can block them from running on your device at any time. So you will just need to reinstall those apps from where you originally got them, and that will solve the problem. Sometimes though, you will have to delete the app first and then reinstall, but most of the time you can just reinstall and that will fix the problem. And those are the reasons why you get the crashing. So with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.